Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are showing you another kitchen remodel that we have completed. In this remodel, we reworked and increased the opening between the kitchen and the living room to make a more open feel for the home. We also built a half wall in the dining area to be able to create a U-shaped kitchen. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this layout and this kitchen remodel. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the video. Here is what the kitchen looked like prior to demolition. We have started the demo by removing the wall cabinets. It's a few days later and everything has been removed from the kitchen. The half walls have also been built for the new layout. The underlayment for the LVT floor has been installed. Now it's time for the LVT tiles to be glued down. The new floor is now complete. We installed Mannington Adora Flex Century Pumice 18 by 18 tiles with custom number 183 Chateau grout. It is now time for the cabinets to be installed. The cabinets are Waypoint 750F in Cherry Autumn. It's a few days later and the quartz countertop, which is Cambria Britannica, has been installed. The backsplash installation is beginning. Here is the finished kitchen. The backsplash shown in the last clip is Dow Tile Limestone Arctic Gray 3x6 tile with a 3-inch band of MSI White Oak Arctic Storm Bamboo Hone tile. I hope you enjoyed this kitchen transformation. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more.